Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and if you've watched the channel a little bit, you realize a couple things. I like airplanes, I like flannel shirts. When it's warm, I like Hawaiian shirts, but I also love gardening. And we've got several items that I picked up over the last couple of months that we're trying out in the garden. Some are working good, some are not working good. I've got another product here that actually the company reached out and asked me if I'd be interested in trying it out. So I said, yeah, you know, always interested in different gardening stuff. And you see the name on here, it's Vegega, maybe? I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it. But these are raised beds. They're metal raised bed planters. And I've been getting into raised beds. I've been building my own the last couple years. I've built a couple different styles. And these, looking at the website, my first impression was kind of looks like a stock tank without a bottom in it, which, you know, is actually a pretty good setup for a raised bed. But we're going to get in here, open it up, take a look at what's in there, set it up, and see kind of what it looks like, and if, you know, my first impressions from their website were right, if they're, you know, nicer, if they're not as nice. You never know when you're looking at a website. So we'll get in here and check it out and see. Now, they do not sponsor me. They just happen to send me one of these. They do have on their website, which I will put a link in the video, they've got a couple of different sizes. They've got some trellises, a couple other setups. But let's open it up and see what's in there. Okay, we're going to open up the box and see what you get in here. One thing I will say, you know, over a stock tank is these do come in some different colors, which are kind of neat looking. This is a gray color. And yeah, first impressions, you know, it's good solid metal. Looks like the knocked my arm out of the socket the other day. I'm having a little trouble lifting these out. But okay, first impressions, I was thinking that there's either some kind of a plastic coating or there's something with the paint here. But as I'm getting into it, it does have a plastic coating on it to protect it from scratches. So that's good. You get the side pieces, you get your end pieces. You get a little gardening manual in here. You get the hardware. You get some, oh, I guess that's rubber gaskets for it, so you don't cut yourself. What else we got in here? We got, oh, there we go. And we get all the hardware to put it together. So let's open this up and let's start putting it together. All right, so we've got it put together, and figured take a look at it put together. Got it kind of up against my other raised beds that I've built, and you know, it looks pretty nice. Pretty easy to put together. A bunch of holes already in it. You just put them together. Screw here, a nut here. It's got a nice little gasket kind of ring on top. I think I'm going to see if I can find some more of that to put on these as well. I do like that touch on it. And a couple different types of raised beds that I have worked with and experimented with, and I do like this one. The first one I did was wood, and it just wasn't really that feasible. Either the wood that you get is treated, I didn't want the treated wood, or you get, and plus it doesn't hold up that well. I had some sawmill lumber that I got, and it warped really bad. These are the ones that I built. I've done some videos on those, where it's some old barn tin that I had, and this is treated 2x4s. I think they are starting to age a little bit. I mean, they've only, this one not as much. These others over here, about 2 years old at this point. and I think I'm gonna fire treat them a little bit. This worked pretty good. Now we got into this one, and it's coated really good, so I'm guessing that's gonna, help fight against rust and keep it from deteriorating. It's pretty well made. It's easy to put together. I do like it. I am getting ready to set it up. My daughter actually has been asking me to build her some raised beds. She wants to do some flowers, and so I think I'm just gonna basically set this up at her house, see how she likes it. If she likes it, I might buy another one or two of these for her as well. But we're gonna do another video. I'm gonna run over there here in just a little bit and set it up, and I'll do a separate video on that showing what it looks like when it's done and planting. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel. It does help out the channel and helps us out, helps the channel grow. If you like these, you're interested in these, they're nice. And I'm going to put a link to the website. I'll put a link to this specific one. They do have them in a couple of different shapes and sizes. And I'm going to put a link to their website. You can kind of look around. They've got some trellises, some arbors you can get with these too. Price isn't too bad for what you get. It's pretty nice compared to a lot of them actually that I've looked at price-wise. And it's pretty well made. Till next time, it is Matt with McGee Farms. Have a great day.